ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಓಲೆಯ ನಿಟ್ಟಳೆ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ತಿಲಕ ಧರಿಸಿದಳೆ, ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ತಿಲಕ ಧರಿಸಿದಳಾದೇವಿ, ಸರ್ವತ್ರ ವಧುವರರ ಸಲಹಲಿ. Well, the first few padyas in the magnum opus Lakshmi Shobhana, where Mangalacharana and some of the description of Lakshmi Tattva, and starting from the 5th Padya until the 16th Padya, considering Shobhana Venere as the first Padya, is a brief description of the form of Lakshmi Devi and the adornments in which she is embellished with. So this Padya again describes some of the ornaments which is owned by her. In the previous Padya, we actually saw or heard about the lotus face, how beautiful is the face of Lakshmi Devi. So now the ornaments which she is worn in the face of Lakshmi Devi is described in this and the next Padya. Muttina Oleye Nittale Mahalakshmi. Ole is the earring. So Lakshmi Devi is wearing an earring, and that earring which is Muttina Ole, which is made up of pearl. It's a speciality here which I will explain it. Muttina Oleye Nittale Mahalakshmi, Kasturi Tilaka Dharisidale. She is having a mark in her forehead which is not in a circular form, which is in a form of a triangle or a conical form, we could say, and it is made up of Kasturi. Kasturi Tilaka Dharisidale. Kasturi Tilaka Dharisidala Devi, Sarvatra Vadhuvarara Salahali. So Lakshmi Devi protect our bride and the groom in all spaces is what Shivadaraja Tirtha has described here. So Muttina Oleye Nittale Mahalakshmi. A pearl ornament, especially when it is worn in the ears, it has a lot of auspiciousness attached to it. Just like a Mangalya or what we call the Mangala Sutra, and the bangles which are worn as an auspicious ornament by the ladies, this ornament which is an adornment to the ear is also a very auspicious ornament. So here the Jyotishya Shastra says that the one Devata who is a minister of pearls is Chandra, and we all know that Chandra is the one who is by having his blessing we could get out of all our ill health, etc., because he is the Abhimani for Aushada, for all that herbs and shrubs. So a pearl has an inbuilt quality of producing a vibration, a positive vibration when it is worn, especially by the ladies in their ear. Even they say, those people who take a dip at the Ganga river, if they wear a pearl and gold ornament in their ear, the water that falls on it and then it falls on the shoulder of the ladies, which is very auspicious. So here Lakshmi Devi, who is the form of auspiciousness, has worn the pearl ornament. Muttina Oleye Nittale Mahalakshmi, Kasturi Tilaka Dharisidale. Ladies should wear the mark on her forehead, on their forehead, and this is more than auspiciousness. I could say it just by seeing the mark of a kasturi and kumkuma in the forehead of the ladies itself, it produces auspiciousness. It's a radiation that is produced from the face when a mark is worn on the forehead. Kasturi, kumkuma, arshana, like turmeric. Of course, the kumkum, what we call, is derived from the turmeric. That's why when we take kumkum, the powder kumkuma, and we just crush it in our hands will turn as the color of yellow, because it's a byproduct of turmeric. And these products, kasturi, kumkuma, turmeric, etc., have an enhanced presence of Lakshmi Devi. That is why it is very auspicious to be worn in their forehead. Here Lakshmi Devi is wearing a kasturi tilaka, a forehead mark which is in the form of a cone, and it is kasturi. There are three types of kasturi. Again, there is a gradation in kasturi itself. There is a kasturi which is of pink color. Kamala Varna, they say. It's in pink color, which is actually the most auspicious kasturi. Of course, there is kasturi which is in red color, a form of red we could say. I do not want to get into an exact color palette of red, but that kasturi is called, does has a mediocre auspiciousness in it. The pink kasturi has the most powerful auspiciousness, or it holds a powerful highest standing among all the other kasturis. This red kasturi has a mediocre auspiciousness, and definitely this also holds a position which is next to the pink kasturi. And the third position goes to the Krishna Varna kasturi, which is in the form of a black or a dark blue we could say. It's actually dark blue, not black. And the dark blue, Neela Megha, dark blue kasturi is little lesser in auspiciousness to these two forms, which are actually some of the rarest to find. And Lakshmi Devi is wearing a pink kasturi because she is in her highest form. So she is wearing a kasturi tilaka dharisidale. Kasturi tilaka dharisidala Devi sarvatra vaduvarara salahali. And let her bless our bride and the groom and all the couple in this world with such a saumangalya, with such an auspiciousness, so that they could wear this tilaka and kunkuma and kasturi to the entire life. Sarvatra vaduvarara salahali. Everywhere, at every time, is what Shivadaraja Tirtha is asking Lakshmi Devi to bless the bride and the groom with. Shivadaraja Tirtha wants Lakshmi Devi to bless the bride and the groom with some of the auspicious elements like kasturi, kunkuma, even the kajal. We think that it is a part of the makeup, but the kajal that is owned by the ladies are actually some of the auspicious products that should be worn by ladies. Muttina Oleye Nittale Mahalakshmi Kasturi Tilaka Dharisidale Kasturi Tilaka Dharisidala Devi Sarvatra Vaduvarara Salahali. In the next Padya, again there are some of the ornaments which are embellished in the face of Lakshmi Devi is explained. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.